So the question is, a cell is connected between the points A and C of a circular conductor ABCD with O as center and angle AOC equals to 60 degree. If B1 and B2 are the magnitudes of magnetic fields at O due to currents in ABC and ADC respectively, then the ratio B1 upon B2 is equal to. So as we can observe, the currents in ABC and ADC will not be equal. Will not be equal as they both have different resistance, and also B also depends on the length of the wire. So resistance is not equal and B depends on the length of wire. So I1, the current in ABC, will be equal to 1 by 6 into 1 equals to 1 by 6 ampere. Why 1 by 6? Because this whole thing is divided into 1 by 6 and 5 by 6 ratio. So what will be I2 ADC current? 5 by 6 into 1 equals to 5 by 6 ampere. So what is B of ABC wire? That is B1 equals to mu naught I1 upon 2r theta, which is equals to mu naught upon 2r into I 1 by 6 into 15 by 9 pi. That's the angle. Then B2 equals to B ADC equals to mu naught I2 upon 2r theta, which is equals to mu naught upon 2r into 5 by 6 into pi by 3. B1 by B2 equals to, these two will cancel out, 1 by 6 into 15 by 9 upon 5 by 6 into 1 by 3, which is equals to 1. So what we observe, even though the current wasn't equal, the ratio of B1 upon B2 remains constant, and that is equal and opposite direction. So even though the angle between them will be changed, then too the ratio will remain 1. So the answer is A. Moving on to the next question. A ball of mass m moving with velocity v strikes the bob of a pendulum at rest. The mass of the bob is also m. If the collision is perfectly inelastic, the height to which the bob will rise is given by h equals to v square by x dot g, then x equals to. So because the collision is inelastic, perfectly inelastic, hence the two blocks will stick together by momentum conservation. Two mv, the velocity after collision, is equals to mv, small v. So what will be the velocity after collision? V equals to small v by 2. Now, by energy conservation, 2 mgh equals to half 2m v by 2 square, small v by 2 square, because final velocity is big, a capital V, which is given by small v by 2. Or we can solve this one. H equals to v square by 8g. So comparing this with this equation, what's the value of x? X is 8. Answer is 8.